Did you ever dream of becoming immortal, living hundreds of years in the future? Even though the chances seem very less, but this technology has created a possibility to cheat death. Welcome to the world of cryonics, a technology which has its roots in science fiction. It is based on a 1931 sci-fi pulp magazine, Amazing Stories, which published the Jameson satellite. It tells the story of a professor who shot himself in dark, freezing outer space with an obsession of being perfectly preserved. He was then revived by an alien race 40 million years later, who had achieved the concept of immortality by transplanting brain into mechanical bodies. Robert Ettinger took this concept and wrote a paper called The Prospect of Immortality. Motivated by this concept, many laboratories were formed. One of the main laboratories, named Alcor, was built in Scottsdale, a city in Arizona. Now we need to know how the technology works. The bodies are preserved in a freezing temperature of minus 380 degrees Fahrenheit, that is minus 231 degrees Celsius. But even if the body is preserved in 0 degrees Celsius, the cells would crystallize. So how do they manage to preserve the body without damaging it? The answer is they add several chemicals which prevents damage to the body. Also, several pipes are joined with the lungs, provided continuous oxygen, which is then carried by the cells. Alcor has 134 patients, 4 patients with whole body and others with preserved body parts like brain. Dr. James Bedford was the first patient to be cryopreserved after a legal death in 1967. Some other patients include a body of a 23-year-old girl who had brain cancer, Ted Williams, a famous baseball player, and a 101-year-old patient. Want to see your pets in future? You can also cryopreserve your pets. This technology has helped in regeneration of tissues, growth of limbs, but has not reached a height to revive full bodies yet. It would also require nanorobots to revive the cells in the body. Even if you would want to cryopreserve your bodies, it would cost you $80,000 to preserve your brain and $200,000 for preserving your whole body. One of the leading workers in Alcor says that it would take technology 30 to 150 years to completely revive a human. But for that, we need to understand the concept of consciousness. So does that mean the cryopreserved bodies will be preserved forever? Or will they get the chance to enter new bodies with a whole new world? Would you risk to be cryopreserved for a better future or complete darkness? Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe and comment whether you would like to cryopreserve your body or not.